This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to survive a bankruptcy filing. Many individuals in life are forced to take the route of bankruptcy. Many times it's as a result of medical costs. Many times it's a result of divorce. Many times it's also the result of a business failure. But more often than not, it's just a result of not taking care of your financial life, and bills mount up, and you basically have to look at declaring bankruptcy because you have more bills than you have income. If that occurs, seek out an attorney that will do the filing for you. There's a fee involved. You can work that out with the attorney. It's a rite of passage. Many individuals in a capitalistic society don't want to take the route of bankruptcy, but there are ways to rebuild your credit, and this is certainly a way to survive a bankruptcy filing. You start first by saving an amount of cash and living in a cash world for quite some time. Then you can develop a credit card that's based on your own cash deposited with the financial institution. And eventually, once that occurs, you too will be receiving credit offers from other financial institutions, and you'll be going forward. This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to survive a bankruptcy filing.